Bench testing the 1961 Cadillac 4-mounting grommet wiper motor and frame number 5044454. Serial number WRE_1 01072024. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Test number 2, low speed run, then to medium speed, then back to park position. Test number 3, low speed run, then medium speed, up to high speed, then to park position. Test number 4, low speed wash, then to park position. Test number 5, medium speed wash, then to park position. And test number 6, high speed wash, then to park position. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Low speed. Park position. Test number 2, low speed run, then a medium speed, then back to park position. Low speed. Medium speed. Low speed, and park. Test number 3, low speed run, then to medium speed, up to high speed, then back to the park position. Low speed, medium speed, high, back to medium, low position, and park. Test number 4, low speed, wash, then to park. Low speed, wash, wash cycle, and off. Low speed wash button, and off. Test number 5, medium speed wash, cycle, then back to park position. Low speed, medium speed, wash, wash, back to low, and park. Test number 6, high speed wash, cycle, then back to park position. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, wash, wash cycle, medium, low, and park.